Day number 518 days ago the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Welcome. Today's in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, July the 26th, 2023. We have only 3 regular puzzles. One of those puzzles is the binary puzzles I've already solved a minute ago, so 2 puzzles left. The killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix, and the Medium Sudoku. Not so good news today, because in today's newspaper I've showed you earlier we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So in the evening I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. But first, the Medium Sudoku, and in today's newspaper number 6813. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 29 printed digits. Well, that's a lot. Should be easier than the 1-star puzzle in the additional. The 1-star puzzle in the additional, you need to be faster than 15 minutes with 27 printed digits, the 1-star. This one has 29, so maybe 14 or 13 minutes I will solve this puzzle. That's my indication. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 4 ones. 1 in the first column, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, no need to place left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, no need to place left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between, no need to place left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, no only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 3 place left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 1. Alright, and now let me see. How about the 5 in the third column, the 5 in the second column. So the first column, no need to place left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, though, needs to place left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 place left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the row below, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. Alright, which number can I pick? How about the number 9. Need a 9 here. Well, complicated. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the second column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 place left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so no row between the second row, the only 2 place left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9. 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about 6. two missing numbers in this big square for the master one. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Well, need a 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. Alright. 6, 6. And the 6 here. And 8 in this row. First row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. 9. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Can continue with the 7. 2, 3, and 6. 2 and 3. 2, 2. 3 and 6. Come on. 2 and 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3, 3. Okay. 3. 2, 3. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Okay. 6 is missing. 6 and 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a pair here, the 8 in this column, the 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. Here also 2 and the 3. So 3 missing numbers here. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here 6 in that column. So no 6 there. The only place left for 6 in this big square should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. Here also the 2 and the 3 are left. Okay, so we need a 6 here in the first row. Yeah, 6 in this row, third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left now here in the first row, the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes and down. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number. I've marked this box with 2 or 3. We have a 2 now in this column, so this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left here. I believe the 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4. No, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So we have a pair again. The 3 and 8 in this column. The 3 and 8 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And then we have a 9 in the last column, the 9 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then, yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Unbelievable, 12 minutes. We solved it again. Told you, with 29 printed digits, should be easier than the 1 star. And we solved this in 12 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. Until then, bye bye for now.